When it is time to replace your patio door, you may have more options than you realize. Infinity from Marvin offers sliding, swinging, or folding patio doors. Let's help you find the perfect fit for your home. If you're interested in space-saving sliding operation, Infinity offers sliding French and sliding patio doors. Both options are perfect to walk out to a deck or porch. For timeless design and seamless indoor-outdoor living, opt for Infinity's swinging French doors, ideal if you have space for doors to swing open. Upgrade your patio door with Infinity's bifold door. Smoothly folding panels transform your home and expand your views to bring the outdoors in. Every Infinity patio door style is built with Ultrex fiberglass for serious strength, plus a multi-point locking system and an optional screen to keep insects out. From size to style to operation, Infinity from Marvin has the perfect patio door for your home. Ready to start your door replacement project? Connect with your local Infinity from Marvin partner for a hassle-free experience designed to exceed your expectations.